Hi, this is Gopinath from DTM2 batch. I have studied data science course from GUVI. Here I have learned Python programming language, SQL and NoSQL databases, statistics, data visualization and machine learning. As a non-technical background student, Codekata platform is very helpful to understanding the logics and improve my coding skills. And capstone project is helpful to understanding the concept, and doubt sessions and queries can help to clarify the doubts, and internal mentor feedback is helpful to improve ourselves. I have thanks to our mentor Sabari sir. He put enormous support to the students, and also I special thanks to Santosh sir, Hasan sir and Surya sir. He has fantastic support to the students. Overall, I am very happy to learn data science course from GUVI. Thank you.